Okay, we're going to continue with number 7. And the first thing again that we're going to do is to find our center of dilation. So we're going to want to put a line through our A prime and our A for this one. Oh, can we get, there we go. Let's make this blue so we can see our line. Okay, so let's go from A through A prime. And I'm just going to go all the way through because I'm not sure where they're going to cross just yet. We got to move that one just a little bit here. So I'm going to go all the way through. I have that through A and A prime. Now let's make another line and go through B. Here we go. Make sure that's pretty accurate as well. Okay, B and B prime. Again with C. That one's easy enough. That's going straight across. And with D and D prime, that one's going to go straight up here. Okay. So you can see that right here in the middle, is where that's going to cross over. Get my pen here. Right over here. Well, can we have red? Let there be red. All right, right here. That is my center of dilation. All right, so let's count and see what our actual center is. So from over here, we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have a -9. And that is down 1 and 2. So -9, -2 is our center of dilation. Okay. And so remember, from our center of dilation, now we need to find our distance from our center of dilation to one of our pre-image points. So let's start and let's do A. All right, so we're going to go from our center of dilation and we're going to count over first because we do our x's first. So let me clear up a little bit here. We go 1 to the left. Where is my pen? Let's get a little bit thinner here. Okay, red pen, here we go. So 1 to the left here. And I go up 1 and 2. Okay, so that is my distance from my center of dilation to point A. Now, let's do this in green. I'm going to go from my center of dilation to A prime. So I count how many to the left first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Did I count that right? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's actually 4. Okay, so 4 to the left. And let's count up. So where am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and 8 up. Okay, so right over here, this is my distance from my center of dilation to A, my pre-image. And this right here is my distance from my center of dilation to A prime. Okay. So you can look at it and go, okay, well, what did I do? How did I get from 2 to 8? What did I have to multiply by? And hopefully you can look at that and say 2 times 4 gives me 8. And that's going to be my scale factor. So K equals 4. Or again, just like we did in the last problem, take this number here and divide by this number here. So 8 divided by 4, or 8 divided by 2, I'm sorry, is going to give you 4, the scale factor right here. All right. we're going to go down and we are going to do one more problem on this page. We're going to do number 11. So let's scroll down here and look at number 11. Okay. So again, let's get our lines going to find our center of dilation. All right. Let's get our lines. We have blue lines going. Okay. So we're going to go from Z to Z prime all the way through there. We're going to go from X to X prime. I think I got to move that one over just a tiny bit. Move that over. Okay. There we go. And we need to go through our Y's now. From Y through, all the way through there. Okay. And now we have our center of dilation. So we can see here that this right here is our center of dilation. That's where all three of our lines cross. So let's count and see where our center of dilation is. And so this line right here, that's our origin. Okay, so we're going to count over. That is our origin. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So that is 8. And it didn't go up or down. So 8, 0 is our center of dilation. Now we need to find our scale factor. So we're going to find our distance from our scale or from our center to one of our points. And you know what? I want to use Z since it's right on this line. Let's go ahead and use that. So from here, from our center of dilation, we're going to count how many to the left our Z prime, or our Z for our pre-images. So if we count over and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So it is 9 to the left and it did not go up or down. Okay. Now we're going to count from here to our Z prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is actually, because I'm covering up stuff and hopefully you can see it better on your screen. That is 6. Okay. So -6, it did not go up and it did not go down. Okay, so 0 over 0 is just going to be 0. So we're going to want to use this number right here and this number right here in order to find our scale factor. So like we did in the last couple problems, you know, those were easier to see. This one, not so much. So I'm going to take this number, so -6, and I'm going to divide by this number right here, -9. Okay, now looking at it right now, -6 over -9. You can put that in your scale factor, but you know, in math, we like to simplify. So the negative divided by negative gives us a positive. And if we were to simplify this fraction 6 over 9, we divide both of those by 3. 6 divided by 3 gives us 2, and 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. So our scale factor right here is 2 over 3. And there you go.